Hello everyone. In today's Learn English Easily class, we will learn about plants through very simple questions and answers. So, let's start. What are plants? Plants are living things that grow in soil, take water, and make food from sunlight. What do plants need to grow? Plants need sunlight, air, water, and soil to grow. What is the main part of a plant that grows underground? The main part of a plant that grows underground is the root. What do roots do? Roots hold the plant in the ground and take water and nutrients from the soil. What is the part of the plant that grows above the ground? The part of the plant that grows above the ground is the stem. What does the stem do? The stem carries water, nutrients, and food to all parts of the plant. What is the green part of the plant that makes food? The leaves make food for the plant using sunlight. What is the process called where leaves make food? The process is called photosynthesis. Why are leaves green? Leaves are green because they have a green substance called chlorophyll that helps them make food. What is the part of the plant that makes flowers? The flower is the part of the plant that makes seeds. What do flowers do? Flowers help in making seeds for the next generation of plants. What are seeds? Seeds are small parts of plants that can grow into new plants. What do seeds need to grow? Seeds need water, air, and sunlight to grow. How do plants grow from seeds? A seed grows into a new plant by sprouting roots, a stem, and leaves. What is a plant's life cycle? A plant's life cycle includes growing from a seed, making flowers, and producing seeds. What is pollination? Pollination is when pollen from one flower moves to another flower, helping plants make seeds. How do plants get their food? Plants get food through photosynthesis, where they use sunlight, air, and water. What is the part of the plant that attracts bees and butterflies? The flower attracts bees and butterflies. What is a plant's food? A plant's food is sugar, made in the leaf through photosynthesis. What are the two main types of plants? The two main types of plants are flowering plants and non-flowering plants. What do plants need from the sun? Plants need sunlight to make food through photosynthesis. Why do plants need water? Plants need water to stay alive and help them make food. What happens if a plant does not get enough water? If a plant does not get enough water, it will dry out and may die. What happens if a plant gets too much water? If a plant gets too much water, it can drown and may die. What is a seedling? A seedling is a small plant that has just grown from a seed. What do we call a full-grown plant? A full-grown plant is called a mature plant. How do plants reproduce? Plants reproduce by making seeds, which grow into new plants. What is a fruit? A fruit is the part of the plant that holds seeds. Can plants move? Plants cannot move from one place to another, but they can move parts like leaves toward the sun. How do plants get air? Plants get air through tiny holes in their leaves called stomata. Why do plants need soil? Plants need soil to anchor their roots and get water and nutrients. How do plants breathe? Plants breathe through their leaves, taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. What is a plant's adaptation? A plant's adaptation is a special feature that helps it survive in its environment. Can plants live without light? No. Plants need light to make food. How do cactus plants survive in the desert? Cactus plants have thick stems to store water, helping them survive in dry places. Why do some plants have big leaves? Big leaves help plants get more sunlight to make food. Why do some plants have small leaves? Small leaves help plants save water, especially in dry places. What is a tree? A tree is a large plant with a trunk, branches, and leaves. What are shrubs? Shrubs are smaller plants with many branches and no trunk. What is a vine? A vine is a plant that climbs or spreads along the ground. Why do some plants have thorns? Some plants have thorns to protect themselves from animals. What is a root system? The root system is the network of roots that help a plant get water and stay in place. Why do plants need nutrients? Plants need nutrients to grow strong and healthy. What is a plant's seed coat? A seed coat is the outer covering that protects the seed. How do trees help the environment? Trees provide oxygen, food, and shelter for animals and help clean the air. What is a deciduous tree? A deciduous tree is a tree that loses its leaves in the winter. What is an evergreen tree? An evergreen tree keeps its leaves all year round. What is the part of the plant that holds the seeds? The fruit holds the seeds of the plant. How does a plant make oxygen? A plant makes oxygen during photosynthesis by taking in carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. What are the parts of a flower? The parts of a flower include the sepal, petals, pistils, and stamens. Why do flowers have colors? Flowers have colors to attract insects for pollination. What is a pollen grain? Pollen grains are tiny particles in flowers that help plants make seeds. What happens to a seed after it is pollinated? After pollination, the seed begins to grow into a new plant. How do plants get nutrients? Plants get nutrients from the soil through their roots. What is a tropical plant? A tropical plant grows in warm, wet places near the equator. How do plants survive in cold places? Plants in cold places have thick leaves or needles to protect themselves from frost. What is a flower's petal? Petals are the colorful parts of a flower that attract pollinators. What is a seed dispersal? Seed dispersal is when seeds spread from one place to another by wind, water, or animals. How do plants grow from cuttings? Some plants grow from cuttings when a small piece of the plant is put in soil or water. What is a plant's chloroplast? Chloroplasts are tiny parts in leaves that help make food from sunlight. How do plants get water from the soil? Plants get water from the soil through their roots by a process called absorption. What is the function of a flower's pistil? The pistil is the part of the flower that helps make seeds. How do flowers help plants? Flowers help plants make seeds by attracting insects and animals for pollination. What is a plant's seedling stage? The seedling stage is when the seed has just sprouted and is growing into a small plant. How do plants make their own food? Plants make their own food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide in a process called photosynthesis. What is the function of a plant's xylem? Xylem helps carry water from the roots to the rest of the plant. What is the function of a plant's phloem? Phloem helps carry food made in the leaves to the rest of the plant. What is a herb? A herb is a small plant that is often used for cooking or medicine. What is a spice? A spice is a plant part used for adding flavor to food. What is a wild plant? A wild plant grows naturally without being planted by humans. What is a cultivated plant? A cultivated plant is one that has been planted and cared for by humans. In today's class, we will learn about plants, part 13, through very simple questions and answers. So, let's start. How do plants make flowers? Plants make flowers from buds, which grow and bloom. What is a pollinator? A pollinator is an insect or animal that helps move pollen from one flower to another. What is a seed bank? A seed bank is a place where seeds are kept safe to grow in the future. Why do plants need sunlight? Plants need sunlight to make food through photosynthesis. Why are trees important for the environment? Trees provide oxygen, clean the air, and provide homes for animals. How do plants help in preventing soil erosion? Plants help hold the soil together with their roots, preventing it from washing away. What is a medicinal plant? A medicinal plant is a plant that is used for treating illnesses. How do plants adapt to their environment? Plants adapt by changing their shape or size to survive better in their environment. What is the purpose of a plant's leaf veins? Leaf veins carry water and nutrients to different parts of the leaf. What is a plant's cuticle? The cuticle is a thin layer on leaves that helps prevent water loss. How do plants grow in the dark? Plants can grow in the dark for a while but need light to survive and make food. What is a cactus plant's special feature? A cactus has thick stems to store water and sharp spines to protect itself. Why do plants grow tall? Plants grow tall to reach more sunlight for making food. What is a potted plant? A potted plant is a plant that grows in a container. What is the lifespan of a plant? The lifespan of a plant can range from a few weeks to many years, depending on the type. What are weeds? Weeds are unwanted plants that grow in gardens and fields. How do plants protect themselves from animals? Plants protect themselves by growing thorns or releasing bad smells or toxins. Why do trees lose their leaves in winter? Trees lose their leaves in winter to save energy and water. In today's class, we will learn about plants, part 16. What do we call the stage when a seed grows into a new plant? The stage when a seed grows into a new plant is called germination. What is the difference between a flower and a fruit? A flower helps make seeds, and a fruit holds the seeds. What is the function of the plant's petals? Petals help attract insects for pollination. What is the role of a plant's stamen? The stamen produces pollen to help make seeds. What do plants do with the oxygen they make? Plants release oxygen into the air for us to breathe. What are some examples of edible plants? Examples of edible plants include spinach, carrots, and tomatoes. What do we call the tiny holes on a leaf? The tiny holes on a leaf are called stomata. How do plants get rid of excess water? Plants get rid of excess water through evaporation from their leaves. Why do some plants have thick stems? Some plants have thick stems to store water or support their height. How do plants get their food without eating? Plants make their own food through a process called photosynthesis. What are the different parts of a plant? The main parts of a plant are the root, stem, leaves, and flower. What is the job of the leaf veins? The leaf veins carry water and nutrients to the leaf. What is a bulb plant? A bulb plant grows from a bulb, which stores food for the plant. What is a flower stigma? The stigma is the sticky part of the flower that catches pollen. How do some plants survive without much water? Some plants have special features like thick leaves or roots to store water, which helps them survive in dry places. What is a flower's anther? The anther is part of the flower where pollen is made. What are the parts of a fruit? The main parts of a fruit are the skin, seeds, and flesh. What is the function of a plant's cambium? The cambium helps the plant grow thicker by producing new cells. What is a perennial plant? A perennial plant lives for many years and blooms every year. What is an annual plant? An annual plant lives for only 1 year and dies after it produces seeds. What is a biennial plant? A biennial plant lives for 2 years and blooms in the second year. What is seed germination? Seed germination is when a seed starts to grow into a new plant. What is a spore? A spore is a tiny part of a plant that can grow into a new plant, like in ferns. How do aquatic plants survive in water? Aquatic plants have special features like air spaces in their leaves to help them float. Why do some plants have large, wide leaves? Large, wide leaves help plants catch more sunlight for photosynthesis. How do plants help prevent floods? Plants prevent floods by holding soil in place with their roots. What is the difference between a tree and a bush? A tree has a single trunk, while a bush is smaller with many branches. What is a deciduous tree? A deciduous tree sheds its leaves in autumn. What is an evergreen tree? An evergreen tree keeps its leaves all year long. Why do plants need carbon dioxide? Plants need carbon dioxide to make food in photosynthesis. How do plants make food? Plants make food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide in their leaves. How can plants grow in poor soil? Some plants can grow in poor soil by using special roots or storing nutrients in their stems or leaves. What are the ways plants can be pollinated? Plants can be pollinated by wind, insects, or animals. What do we call the change from a seed to a plant? This process is called germination. What are climbing plants called? Climbing plants are called vines. What is a pollinator? A pollinator is an insect or animal that helps move pollen between flowers. How do plants adapt to cold climates? Plants in cold climates have thick leaves or needles to protect from frost. What are conifers? Conifers are trees that have cones instead of flowers and keep their leaves all year. What is the role of a plant's chlorophyll? Chlorophyll helps the plant make food by absorbing sunlight. How do plants survive in deserts? Desert plants store water in their stems and have small leaves. What is a plant's taproot? A taproot is a thick main root that goes deep into the soil. Why do plants need nutrients? Plants need nutrients to grow strong and stay healthy. How do plants grow in the shade? Plants in the shade have larger leaves to get more light. Why are flowers important to plants? Flowers are important because they help make seeds for new plants. What is a plant's crown? A crown is the top part of the plant, where the stem and leaves grow. How do plants survive in windy areas? Plants in windy areas have strong, flexible stems to avoid breaking. What is a grafted plant? A grafted plant is when part of one plant is joined with another to help it grow. How do plants grow from cuttings? Some plants can grow from cuttings by placing a small part of the plant in soil or water. What is a plant's vascular system? The vascular system carries water and nutrients throughout the plant. How do plants help us? Plants provide oxygen, food, and medicine for us. How do plants help prevent soil erosion? Plants help prevent soil erosion by holding soil together with their roots. What are the types of plant leaves? Leaves can be broad, needle-like, or scale-like. How do some plants protect themselves from insects? Some plants have poisonous leaves or sticky substances to keep insects away. How do water plants survive? Water plants have floating leaves and roots that are adapted to water. What are herbivores? Herbivores are animals that eat only plants. Why are trees important in cities? Trees provide shade, clean the air, and give a home to animals. What is a fruit seed? A seed is the part of the fruit that can grow into a new plant. What are the ways plants can be propagated? Plants can be propagated by seeds, cuttings, and grafting. How do trees produce oxygen? Trees produce oxygen through photosynthesis in their leaves. Why do plants need dark? Some plants need darkness for part of the process of growing, like at night when they rest. What is an invasive plant? An invasive plant is one that grows quickly and harms other plants. What is a fern? A fern is a type of plant that grows from spores, not seeds. What is the function of a plant's epidermis? The epidermis protects the plant and prevents water loss. How do plants get nitrogen? Plants get nitrogen from the soil or by working with special bacteria in their roots. What is a fruit's pulp? The pulp is the soft part of the fruit that surrounds the seeds. Why do some plants grow in the shade? Some plants are shade-loving and grow best without direct sunlight. What is a plant's flower bud? A flower bud is a tiny, unopened flower that will bloom later. What is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. How do plants help the environment? Plants clean the air, provide food and shelter, and help regulate the climate. What is the purpose of a cactus pines? A cactus pines protect it from animals and help reduce water loss. What is pollination? Pollination is the transfer of pollen from one flower to another to help make seeds. How do plants attract pollinators? Plants attract pollinators with bright colors, sweet smells, and nectar. What do we call the green color in plants? The green color in plants is from chlorophyll. What is a wildflower? A wildflower is a flower that grows naturally without being planted by people. How does a cactus store water? A cactus stores water in its thick, fleshy stem. What do plant leaves do in the fall? In the fall, plant leaves change color and fall off in deciduous trees. Why do some plants have small leaves? Some plants have small leaves to reduce water loss. How does a plant's flower attract bees? A flower attracts bees with its color and scent. What are desert plants adapted to do? Desert plants are adapted to store water and survive in heat. What is the purpose of a seed's coat? The seed coat protects the seed from damage and drying out. How do plants adapt to grow in forests? Plants in forests have tall trunks or broad leaves to capture light. What is a tree's canopy? A tree's canopy is the top part where the leaves spread out to catch sunlight. Why do plants need minerals? Plants need minerals like iron and magnesium to stay healthy and grow. What is the difference between a root and a stem? A root anchors the plant and absorbs water, while a stem supports the plant and transports nutrients. How do plants respond to light? Plants grow towards light in a process called phototropism. Why do some plants grow in tropical areas? Tropical plants grow in warm, moist climates with plenty of sunlight. How do plants help cool the earth? Plants help cool the earth by releasing water and providing shade.